So, Mr. Woodley, welcome to Wash India. Thank you so much for joining us. We are privileged that we have got a few minutes of time from Mr. Murali. Mr. Murali is the quality and design in charge of the engineering team of Lohagiri Industries Pvt Ltd. Having a vast experience across various platforms, he has now dedicated his services to the maintenance of the fleet. So as far as maintenance is concerned, Murali sir, first of all, let me ask you one question. Before wash, you were using the other lights. What is the difference between those lights and why did you choose wash?
Sir, what I'm saying, in the last beginning, we have using the other lights in the local something lights like a tile lamps, parking lamps, and then indicators. This is a small stone also will be hit that lights will be broken.
Very fragile.
One thing. Another one thing is in whenever is came the rain, at a time the humidity, the water will be go the inside of the
seepage.
tile lamps, and the lights is damaged. The once I have to purchase the example that light is 700-800 rupees that tile lamps. In yearly I have to change around 8 to 9.
Okay.
Accordingly, this cost and that cost is almost the same.
Almost the same.
From last 1 year I have to using the wash lights. Now still no breakdowns, and then no damage, and then unbreakable one, and then waterproof lights. That is very good quality for our minings. In our mining parts, whenever we have to loading the vehicles, the small stones like iron ore and then manganese loading time, the big stones is hit to lights.
Okay.
Then also is not broken. Okay. That is very good.
Very sturdy light, very strong
yes,
light.
Very strongly light. That another I had to testing more than I had to 10 to 12 feet from top to bottom. I had to drop the lights. There's no broken.
Okay, so you have actually tested the lights by dropping. Murali sir is telling that he's actually tested the lights by dropping them from a height of 10 to 12 feet to check on the robustness and on the strength of the glass. Sir, I would like to tell you that all these glass are made of polycarbonate and these are generally crash resistant. Of course, if there's a very big impact, then there is a problem, but small pebble, stones hitting the light, nothing happens. So let me, friends, let me reiterate what Murali sir has said. He's been using the other quality lights for a long time now, and he has done a crude or a simple price comparison, and he feels although we are in the market with all these qualities, but our pricing in the long run works out to be much more cheaper and it's maintenance free. Murali sir, how big is your fleet and how many vehicles have you already installed these lights on already?
Now we are totally installed. We have BS4 tippers, around more than 15 to 20 vehicles we have to install it.
You've already installed?
Installed.
Okay.
Remain vehicle we have to continuously doing.
Okay.
That is continually working on that.
So what I'm aware of is 100 plus vehicles you're still looking forward to install these lights. So you are right now buying wash lights from the past 1.5 years. Have you had any complaint or any kind of a problem with any light?
No complaints.
No complaints.
No
it's been a 100% track record of what we promised you.
Yes.
Would you feel or do you feel that it is very practical to install these lights and increase the range of lights, because you're aware that Wash has 5,500 products. Yeah. So in future, if you feel that there is an accommodation or there's a choice to accommodate more lights, would you still buy Wash lights?
Yes. Actually, now we have to install the only 7 or 8 types of lights.
Yes.
Now we have to saying more than 5,500 lights.
Yes.
We have to checking the what we have to use.
What is the application?
Application purpose, like mining application purpose.
Yes.
Which vehicle, what is need.
Yes.
Accordingly that we have to planning. Accordingly we have to going that one installation.
Exactly. So what I want to tell you is that since we have such a big range and in future you will require that new designs or the new technologically advanced lights. I want to tell you that now we have come up with something called as stock lights. So if you're looking at the rear of the vehicle, there's a right, there's a left. Stock lights are a little projected lights installed on either side of the tail light or on the top. So these lights play a very good safety role. These are multifunction lights. The same light can be used as a reverse light or a stop light, tail light, parking light, indicator light, and around that whatever you can use it in 3 dimensions: the rear side, the lateral side, and the front side. So these lights are now almost mandatory in the European market, in the American market, in the South American market. So very soon, I think in India also you'll see, but Wash sets the trend. It's a trend setter in this field. So I think we are way ahead of our competition, and we have already designed and approved those lights. These are all European certified lights. So you can have a look at these lights also in the future.
Yes.
What is the management saying? Are they happy with the decision of buying Wash?
Yes, absolutely sure. Actually, when I had to visit in the wash dealer in Bangalore, at a time I had to see in my management already is in approved. Accordingly, that whenever they see the lights, with a sample basis, we have to install the vehicle.
Okay.
His management is approved.
Okay.
And then it's very good quality.
Okay.
You can use same lights in future all vehicles.
Okay. So
Will
they
be-
have given an approval
Yes.
at large that it's going to be Wash for all the fleet of this
Yes.
company. That's very nice. Would you recommend these lights to the other friends of yours or the other company or the big fleet owners or the big mining owners?
Definitely, I had to explain to other customers, vendors. You can use the wash. It's in very good quality for the wash, for the water resistance and then unbreakable and then quality wise very good quality. You can one time install the vehicle, then you have to check it. That luminous, the light brightness is very good.
Very good.
You can use it.
So Murali sir, you said most of these vehicles are parked in the open because there is no shed here in the mining. In the rainy season, a lot of waterfalls, there's a lot of weathering, it's exposed to a lot of sunlight because temperatures out here are very high. They cross 40 degrees in the summer. Do you find any kind of a fading of the coloration or discoloration of the indicator? Have you had any complaints of that sort?
No.
So far, nothing.
Nothing.
So that more than sums it up. So to reiterate what Murali sir has said, the lights are good. The management has given its approval. We would like to continue using it in the future, and we would like an entire fleet of 100+ vehicles to don these lights. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much.